Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Mailjet Action Automation for workflow. Once you are in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install and you choose an account. Then you click on Continue, head over to Allow and Install and click on it. You have a custom menu link right over here. Copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, navigate to Settings, click on the custom menu links and you navigate to Create New. You insert an icon and you give a name. Then you paste the redirect URL right here. Then you choose a sidebar preference and you give an account. Then you add a role-based visibility and click on Save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch to the account, click on the custom menu link. You're going to have the first interface where you're going to search for the app and you click on Connect. Then the second interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation, and the documentation is going to help you to begin your journey with this specific app. We have the tutorial Smart Queue video and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to help you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on your start setup and you need to insert all these credentials. Let's head to the account which we've created online. You navigate to your profile and on your profile, click on the account setting, head to the API and you'll be able to generate a new API. Copy the API key and head over to your account and you paste. Then you copy the secret, head over, and you paste. Head over to complete setup and click on it. And there you go, your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for the support team. We have an interesting feature which is a changelog feature that is going to help you track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive notifications, toggle on the email button, insert your email right over here, and you click on the subscribe. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.